Hi friends, welcome to Anju's Cuisine. Today let's see how to make Lotus Stem chilli. Let us see the ingredients.
The ingredients are 65 grams of corn flour, 30 grams of rice flour, half tablespoon of pepper powder, 3 lotus stem, salt, 1.5 tablespoon of schezwan sauce. Refer to my previous recipe for the recipe of schezwan sauce. Half a capsicum cut into small pieces, 13 to 14 finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 finely chopped spring onion bulbs, spring onion leaves, soya sauce, tomato sauce. Peel the lotus stem. Cut into thin slices and then wash it thoroughly. To the washed stems, add the rice flour, 3/4 of the corn flour, a pinch of salt and coat it nicely. Coat all the lotus stem like this. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry them. Fry until golden brown. Fry them like this. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the finely chopped garlic to it. Add the onion bulbs to it and saute it. Now add the finely chopped chilli to it, capsicum to it and saute it. Now add the schezwan sauce to it and mix well. Let it get cooked for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the corn flour slurry. Take the remaining corn flour in a bowl, add some water to it and mix well. Ensure that you get a flowing and thin consistency. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce to it, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to it and mix well. Now add the prepared corn flour slurry to it and mix well. Now add salt to it, pepper to it and mix well. Now add the fried lotus stem to it and mix well. Now add spring onion to it and garnish.